This is a lab environment, so of course a lot of stuff, and I may not have all this, you know, I got to look at the NetFlow data, see, and look at my platform settings to make sure the TCP port is actually correct, because this should be showing some utilization, but it's not because it lost the data. But that's neither here or there. Once you do the integration, again, this is a lab, so this may or may not work sometimes. Sometimes it sees the data, sometimes it doesn't, but it sees the interfaces, and it would show this flow information if, you know, I got to look at the platform settings. But that's not the case. So we have hosts that we can see. So if we look at hosts, it's going to show all the hosts that it shows up. Now, if you remember in my last video, 192.168.16.10 was a user. See, this can see some of the host names here. So I'm going to go into the host. And here goes, you know, 192.168.16.10. So if I click into that, I can actually see some more data about what this host is actually doing. Wait till that comes up, and now I'm seeing more and more data, right? Host group is in this client IP range. This is another thing about Cisco Secure Analytics. You have to do some work as in classifying what IP goes to what host group, because if you just leave everything vanilla, you're going to have things all over the place. You're not going to be able to create rules effectively because you don't have your host groups configured correctly, and you would configure those host groups over here in host group management.